Welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to study about magnetic properties of D block elements. In previous classes, we discussed about standard electrode potential and oxidation state of transition metals. Let us start today's class. Basically, we know this metals have three types of magnetic properties, that is paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferro and antiferromagnetic. In transition metals, if the metal have unpaired electrons, they are considered as a paramagnetic metals. If the metals doesn't have any unpaired electrons, they are termed as diamagnetic. Some of the ions with unpaired electrons, sometimes they can show ferro and antiferromagnetic properties. These magnetic properties of the metals can find by magnetic moment. To find the magnetic moment of the metals, this is a formula. Mu equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton, where n is the number of unpaired electrons present in the metal. Mu P is a Bohr magneton. So magnetic moment unit is Bohr magneton. How to find the magnetic moment of some metals? I am going to explain you with some example. First one, you take this scandium 3+. For scandium 3+, we are going to find the magnetic moment, as well as this scandium 3+ is a which type of magnetic, paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Now they were given scandium 3+. So first, for scandium, we have to know the atomic number and outer electronic configuration. Scandium atomic number is 21. Outer electronic configuration 3d1 4s2. These all we studied already in this lesson when I start to teach. So scandium atomic number is 21, outer electronic configuration 3d1 4s2. If the scandium loses 3 electrons, it's become scandium 3+. So it has to lose these 3 electrons. While losing, it's convert as 3d0. These 3 electrons also going to remove 2 from 4s, 1 from 3d. So 3d orbital has only 0 electron. So scandium 3+ electronic configuration is 3d0. If there is no electron, the number of unpaired electron is 0. Here there is no electron, so there is no unpaired electron, so n value is 0. Now we are going to apply this n value in magnetic moment formula. Magnetic moment formula is mu equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. If we apply 0 here, the final value also 0. So magnetic moment of scandium 3+ is 0. Now here we find the number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electron, how much? 0. If there is no unpaired electron, that metal is a diamagnetic in character. So scandium 3+ is a diamagnetic. Next, another one example, Mn3+. Here also first we have to know the atomic number of manganese. Mn means manganese and outer electronic configuration of manganese. Manganese atomic number is 25. Outer electronic configuration 3d5 4s2. If manganese lose 3 electrons. It's convert as a Mn3+. So this manganese going to lose 3 electron. In this 3, 2 electrons from 4s orbit. 2 electrons from 4s orbit. 1 electron from 3d orbit. So remaining we have only 3d4. So Mn3+ electronic configuration is 3d4. If it is 3d4, how much unpaired electrons we have? Already we know d orbital it has 5 orientations. In this 5 we are going to fill only 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 electrons also unpaired. So number of unpaired electron is 4. This value, n value, we are going to substitute in magnetic moment formula. 4 into 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 into 4, 24. If we take the root of 24, we will get answer as 4.89 Bohr magneton. So manganese 3 plus magnetic moment is 4.89 Bohr magneton. Next we are going to find this manganese manganese 3 plus is a diamagnetic or paramagnetic. Here how much number of unpaired electrons we have? 4. So if number of unpaired electrons are present, that metal is a paramagnetic. So we have 4 unpaired electrons in manganese. So manganese is a paramagnetic in property. So from this magnetic property of transition metals, they ask you some questions. That questions are: define paramagnetic. If they ask paramagnetic, your answer is metals with unpaired electrons and they possess magnetic dipoles, means they are known as paramagnetic. Diamagnetic, materials with no elementary magnetic dipoles and with all paired electrons is known as diamagnetic metals. Then magnetic moment. If they ask magnetic moment, this only your answer. Formula for magnetic moment, then explanation of the formula. And then they were given like that any metals. For this you have to find the magnetic moment value as well as which type of magnetic that metal is. So these two also you can find with the use of atomic number, outer electronic configuration, and then you have to know how to find the electronic configuration of given elements. So if they are given scandium 3+, if you know the atomic number of scandium and outer electronic configuration of scandium only, you can find the electronic configuration of given. So from the basic only have to go. Please understand the basic and study well. Don't mug up this. Surely it will collapse you. This is a very important 2 marks and 1 marks. They were given any one element. They ask you to find Bohr magneton, otherwise which type of magnetic it is.